Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex. Today's word is ballot, a C1 level noun meaning a voting slip or process. So, what exactly is a ballot? Well, it's essentially a piece of paper or a device that you use to cast your vote in an election or a poll. It also refers to the process of voting itself. In everyday language, we often hear about ballots in the context of political elections, but they are also used in different scenarios, like union elections or even voting for the best employee of the month. Let's explore some synonyms for ballot. We could use vote, as in each citizen has the right to vote in national elections. Or we could say poll, for example, the students conducted a poll to decide on the school mascot. Now, let's see what words have an opposite meaning. Antonyms of ballot might include abstention. For example, some voters chose abstention rather than selecting a candidate, or disapproval, as in, the workers expressed their disapproval by refusing to participate in the election. When might you use ballot in your day-to-day life? You might say, I need to fill out my ballot before 5 p.m., or, did you remember to bring your ballot card? Another common expression is, the results will be counted by ballot. Here are some more usage examples. The election will be decided by secret ballot. They carefully marked their ballot. The ballot box was sealed until the election. So, to recap, the word of the day is ballot, a noun that refers to a voting slip or process. It's similar to vote and poll, but the opposite of abstention or disapproval. Thank you so much for joining me on this word journey. If you're enjoying the show, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word ballot and share it as a comment below the video.